Well, we had a little bit of rain today, but honestly, it was just a little bit across the area. Just some spotty showers, plenty of clouds, though very warm too. Did anyone else, this may be very niche, drive your car out of your garage, but because your garage was closed all night, your garage and the cars in it were really cold, and then when you drove outside, everything fogged up and it took forever for it to unfog? Yeah, that happened to me today. I know it probably didn't happen to anyone else that I just talked to, but that was just because we had a lot of moisture and it was very warm outside. Take a look at our highs this afternoon, mid-60s across the area, close to the record, which will still stand at 71, but also well above average by about 15 degrees. Now, our temperatures, though, are starting to drop, not only because it's the nighttime, but we do have some colder air coming in. It is going to be a much colder day tomorrow across Metro Detroit. Temperatures at this hour close to 50 degrees, again, close to our average high temperatures. But as we move again into tomorrow, colder air is filtering in behind the storm system that came through today. Now, the storm system looks a lot more impressive off to the east than what it did look like when it moved across our region. We just had a few showers, and now where we had a few showers, there's plenty of thunderstorms along the cold front. Thankfully, we didn't see that today. As we get into tomorrow, we will have some strong northwesterly winds. It'll bring us a slight chance for rain-snow mix up towards the thumb, mainly lake effect rain-snow showers. But for the most part, a lot of us are going to stay dry tomorrow and Monday. It won't be until Tuesday that we'll have our next best chance for some precipitation. And the question is, what type of precipitation could we be looking at? And this is going to be a timing situation. If the storm comes in early Tuesday, there is a chance that we may see some freezing rain. That's because some warmer air with the moisture will be coming in over colder air at the surface. So we'll keep an eye on this system. If it doesn't arrive, though, until the afternoon, temperatures will be above freezing, so we'll likely keep things on the rainier side on your Tuesday. Then we do get back to some drier conditions moving into Wednesday, but there is more rain coming our way later this week. As we take a look at tonight, though, we're down to the upper 30s by tomorrow morning. Clearing skies, breezy even actually all night. Winds out of the northwest 10 to 20. Tomorrow we will have more sunshine than clouds. Highs in the mid 40s, but it is going to be windy. Wind gusts will be near 30 miles per hour tomorrow. Your 7-day forecast is showing the chance for a wintry mix on Tuesday, but more rain coming Thursday into Friday.